Hello and welcome to another video of Gerald DIY, and I am obviously Gerald, and in this video I want to show you what you can do with the city sample. Look there. I caused an accident on the freeway. Um, but can you see the logic? There it disintegrates. Um, uh, and now traffic is restarting. Um, hey, that guy's actually changing lanes. Okay, alright. Anyway, I showed you some accidents and but actually car damage. Actually caused damage to the cars. It's um I don't know why. Truck again, bus. Um, but anyway, so hey, look the bus. Look the bus. The bus is trying to. All these guys, I messed up. I messed up the logic of all these guys. Yeah, that's right. Uh, he actually got damaged. It's so nice, and all of this, I mean, we get for free. The only downside is you have to study the logic, and I mean to get this thing working for you. Oh gosh, look what's happening. Holiday. I mess up the matrix. um, it's it's amazing how what you can do with game logic. Um, I mean, this is what you can design into your phone. I mean, just give parameters and logic, and then see uh it all tries to uh yeah, like that bus is um and listen, this is entertaining. All of them are right. The bus is now back on its wheels, start driving. It looks like he tries to make a U-turn. Okay, but if I go further away, then uh yeah, um oh, that truck is still causing an accident. Look, look, they are moving the bus around. The collision is not working anymore. The collision is not working anymore. Ah, listen, this is beyond a glitch in a matrix now. It's not a glitch anymore. I know. Um, 2.6. And um, what now? I don't know what the maximum speed my motherboard. I have to study my motherboard to see what's the uh, fastest. Finally, the bus. Almost, almost, almost. There you go. The bus never respawned. And that truck is still standing in the way. The bus never respawned. That is still the same bus. Oh, what? Hey, it reappears. What? How, how does the matrix work? Now, why is this truck standing in the road? When you fly into the vehicles, you cause collisions, as as you've seen what I did with the bus. So yeah, I was very surprised to see what you can do with the game logic of Unreal Engine, and because we are working on a film called Spore, we quickly learned with all these examples how we can utilize the Unreal Engine in assisting us in producing our film. I hope you found it also interesting and entertaining, and thank you for watching.